Our macro lens just got restocked. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use it to take amazing pictures as a lash artist and all the little tricks that you may need. So first of all, you need to make sure that you apply it on the bottom camera. Since there's 3 cameras on your iPhone, you apply it on the bottom one. So that's important. You need to make sure you're applying it on the correct camera, because if you put it on the top one, it's actually not going to work. Then the next thing you can do is you need to make sure that you are coming really close to whatever you're trying to film or take a picture of. As you can see, when you're far away, the picture and the video is going to be blurry. So you need to get really, really close in order to have a better video. And then finally, there's an extra light on the side. So you literally can press the little button on the top, and then you get additional lighting, which always helps to have a better quality video. So to shop, go on our website.